Hello, so my name's Amy if you don't already know me, and today I just want to show you a really simple look. This is my go-to. This is like an easy everyday look. I don't look really glammed up, but I at least look put together, and I use a makeup called Saint. It's an amazing product that I found about a year ago, and I absolutely fell in love with it when I found it, and so much that I decided to start selling it. And so anyway, this is just a really quick, easy look that anybody can do. Like really, anyone can use this. I'm just gonna use this one brush and one compact with 4 colors in it. Here I have a bronzer, a contour, a highlight, and a lip and cheek. I'm gonna apply it all in like 5 minutes and I'm done, and I look amazing. So I just wanna share this with those of you that might be struggling with your makeup routine and just wanting a simpler, easier way of applying makeup and feeling really good about yourself. So check it out, let me know what you think. If you want me to color match you and get started, I would love to do that for you. So here you go. Here we go. We are going to start with bronzer, and you're just gonna dab your brush in there, and then you are going to place the bronzer on the highest points of your face. So on your cheekbone and above, all the way up to the center of your forehead, across the center of your forehead. You can diffuse it all down into the rest of your skin as well. So I kind of feather it out along where I'm concentrating on the highest parts of my cheekbones and across the center of my forehead. Everywhere else I'm kind of feathering it out. I do go along my jawline just because there's a natural shadow there anyway. And then I also go on the tip of my nose just to give it some color as well. And you don't have to be perfect with this. This makeup is so forgiving. It's cream, it blends amazing, and you can really move the product around. This is my contour color. I'm just gonna tap into that, and then I'm gonna go right there at my cheekbone. I'm gonna stipple that in, just pat, 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 both sides. This is gonna give me dimension to my face. You can see how it's changing the look there. Just gives you a nice, beautiful cheek lift. And then I'm gonna go up to my forehead. I'm gonna go along my hairline. This is just going to give me shape to my forehead. Make sure you don't leave any harsh white lines. Make sure everything's blended. You can go back into it, blend, blend, blend. Okay, next I'm gonna use my pinky, and I'm going to contour my nose. You do not have to do this. This is something that I don't always do, but I have gotten to where I do it more often now. And it just gives you a more defined nose. I really like the look now that I've been doing this. So that is up to you, it's optional. Then I'm gonna go into my highlight color, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner of my eyes and go under them a little bit. I have a lot of purple and blue colors there, and this is just gonna give me a brighter appearance. I'm gonna look more awake, like I've had good sleep, and I actually have lately since I've been back. And then I'm gonna go over each eyelid. My eyelids tend to have pinkness and a lot of veining on them, so I like to kind of conceal that, just even out the skin tone, make everything kind of match, okay? So as you can see, I look more awake already. And then I'm gonna go down the center of my nose and just give that a nice glow. And then center of forehead, center of chin. That's it. Blend everything in, go back in, make sure everything matches. You don't wanna like push and move everything around. You're just lightly blending. Okay, this is my lip and cheek color. We're just gonna tap that onto the cheeks. I like to start in the front and move it back. It's just gonna give me a warm glow. And then I'm gonna use the lip and cheek on my lips. Tiny amount, you just need a tiny amount. Less is more with this product. And then last, I'm gonna go into the bronzer again, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. And that's just gonna give me some color there. It's gonna make my eyes show up a little bit more. And then I will also go under my bottom lash line, and that's just gonna also just kind of bring out my eyes a little bit more. This is it. Simplest makeup ever, I swear. It's so amazing, I love it. I can't say enough great things about it. So let me know if you are interested and would like to get started with this makeup. I would be happy to color match you. Go to the link in my bio on Instagram. Thanks for watching.